Hello dear students, this is Vivek Bhavar and you are watching video lecture on soil in India. In this video, in the last video, you understood what is soil and types of soil found in India. In this lecture, we are going to discuss black soil. In the last lecture, you understood easily about alluvial soil, characteristics of alluvial soil. For the sake of your revision, I am here once again. Characteristics of alluvial soil. The main characteristics in this soil is rich in minerals such as lime and potash. It is suitable for the growth of kharif and rabi crops. Okay, and it is the form of deposition of sediments of the rivers as it flows its upper to the lower courses of river. And one more thing, the alluvial soil is alkaline in drier area. So you have to remember it, and it is also alluvial soil deficient in nitrogen and humus. Only alluvial soil of the Ganga Delta rich in humus. Okay, so we are going to discuss new topic which is black soil. So black soil formed by the solidification of lava, as you know, and this is the black soil. Look at this. This is black soil, and this is the cracks in black soil. We are going to discuss further. Black soil mainly found in Deccan Plateau in India. Look at this. This is the black soil, and black soil is also called regur soil or cotton soil because in black soil cotton products yield cotton agriculture products found in black soil. It is also called regur soil. Black soil is due to its iron content deprived of plutonic lava material. Okay, black soil is also very highly fertile soil, but not as good as alluvial soil. This is called residual types of soil. We have two types of soil, residual and transported soil. So black soil is residual soil. Okay, it is deficient in organic content, phosphorus and nitrogen, rich in lime and iron, magnesium and aluminum, also contains potash. Highly clayey in impermeable, highly moisture retentive black soil is. Okay, black soil highly clayey and impermeable, highly moisture retentive soil. In this soil, plugged in dry season as the evaporation, cracks develop for the better seed penetration. In the first video slide of black soil, you see, just look at this. This is crack in soil. Why this crack? Because lack of moisture. Okay, and dry season on the evaporation in cracks. Okay, and this soil highly moisture retentive. Okay, region of this soil is Maharashtra, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, parts of Tamil Nadu. 66.6% of the total uh, soil in India is what? Black soil. Now look at this characteristics of black soil. As you know, it is clay and finally textured soil. Because it is formed for the weathered lava rocks, it is black. And why it is black? Because its color is black because of iron oxide. When the soil become wet, it expands, making plowing difficult. So when it is the season of dry season, the black soil shrinks and develops crack with the help of air circulation. Black soil is suitable for the cultivation of cotton, jowar, sugarcane, wheat, linseed, gram. Besides, it is suitable for the growth of wild seeds, pulses, crystals, tobacco and vegetables. The subsoil has moisture content even during rainy season. This is the characteristics and this is black soil. Okay. So you must have remember it. Now red soil and yellow soil. What is red soil and what is yellow soil? Actually it is same in the characteristics, but one is the difference that in red soil the amount of iron oxide is large in comparison to yellow soil, and in yellow soil is hydrated form. That means red soil water containing material is low and in comparison to yellow soil. Okay, look at this. This is red soil and this is yellow soil. Okay, characteristics of red soil and yellow soil. It is porous and contains large quantities of iron oxide. It is shallow, loose and aerated. It is deficient in nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium and organic matter. Small quantities of soluble salt are present in it. Okay, because of very less fertility, fertilizers added to produce agricultural product. The soil requires irrigation. Lack of irrigation, we can't yielding here. Red soil is suitable for the cultivation of rice, ragi, tobacco, groundnut, potatoes. Okay, so look at this. Where is red soil and yellow soil found? Red soil and yellow soil, parts of the red soil and yellow soil. Okay, now laterite soil. Laterite, laterite soil, it is formed because of the atmospheric weathering rocks caused by the high temperature and high rainfall. This residual types of soil is formed by leaching because of tropical rains. What is leaching? Leaching is a process in which the nutrients of the soil percolate down into the soil because of heavy rainfall. This is the this makes topsoil infertile. So this is called dissiliation. Okay. So you understand easily what is leaching. In 1 marks question, it will be asked in the examination. There are two types of laterite soil, upland laterite soil and lowland laterite soil. The former are formed over hills and uplands when these soils are transported by the streams of lowland. It is called lowland laterite soil. Okay. So characteristics of laterite soil, as you know, it is the red because of the presence of iron oxide formed during leaching. It is also coarse texture and is porous. It is deficient in lime, magnesium and nitrogen. It is not fertile as does not retain moisture. Okay. It is acidic because of leaching of alkalis. Okay. Region: periphery area of Deccan Plateau, that means Chotanagpur Plateau in the parts of Odisha actually, and Telangana, Nilgiri, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, suitable for the cultivation of this is this soil suitable for the cultivation of millets, pulses, linseed and tobacco. 10.6% of the total land area of the country found of laterite soil. Okay, this is the part of laterite soil. Look at this. This is and this is and this is. Okay, and look at this. This is the leaching process. Heavy rainfall, high temperature zone, destroyed macroorganism and the topsoil. Okay, soil erosion. As you know, washing away of topmost fertile layers of the soil by the action of wind, water, and human activity is what? Soil erosion. Common cause actually of the erosion is overgrazing, deforestation, action of wind, water, and glacier, topography, steep slopes, heavy rainfall. Faulty methods of agriculture, over irrigation, shifting agriculture, etc. is what? Cause of soil erosion. And one more thing, other anthropogenic factors like mining, industrial activity also cause of soil erosion. Okay. Effects of soil erosion. What is the effect of soil erosion? Loss of fertile topsoil, lowering of the underground water table and decreasing soil moisture, drying of the vegetation and extension of the arid lands, increase in the frequency of droughts and floods, silting of river and canal beds, reoccurrence of landslides. So this is the effect of what? Erosion of soil. And what is the prevention of this erosion? How we can preserve our soil? So many method: terrace farming, contour farming, uh, steep farming, shelter bed, afforestation. We are going to discuss further. This is terrace farming. Terrace farming on hilly slope. Terrace act as burns and prevent of soil from being washed away. Farming is done as a unique step like a structure, and the force of water running off is slowed down. Terraced farming is more common on all farms and underdeveloped countries since mechanized equipment is difficult to deploy in this setting. Look at this. This is terrace farming. This is terrace farming. Look at this. How water is stored here on the hilly area. Okay. Now contour farming. You know very much what is contour line and all about. So keep it in mind. And land should never be plugged up and down as it increases erosion. Plugging along contour on a slope prevents soil being washed away by rainwater or surface runoff. Contours act like bunds and thus prevent soil erosion by allowing water to slowly penetrate the soil. Terraces are leveled into step like small fields with even slope. Look at this, this is contour farming. Look at the same types of line here. Okay, this is contour farming. Now, contour barriers and contour trenching. Contour strip which intercept downslope flowing water and soil particle. Several two steps by 1 foot trench are formed across the slope at suitable interval. Trees seedlings are to be planted above the trench. These barriers slow down the water movement and reduce its erosive force so that erosion will be क्या less. They are filter out and trap many of the suspended soil particles, keeping them from being washed out of the field. This is trench and barrier. Look at this. This is trench and barrier. So that topsoil not eroded. Afforestation, as you know, planting of true trees along the edge of the fields, the wasteland, and on steep slopes prevents soil erosion. As to enhance the capacity of soil retain water, afforestation is the process. Shelter bed. Shelter bed, a line of tree shrubs planted to protect an area, especially a field of crops, from fierce weather. Okay, so it is when it is a storm, topsoil will be eroded. Prevention of this boundary of the field, we can planted shrubs or trees so that the storm will not effective in the field area. Also known as windbreak. This method is also known as windbreak method. Farmer plant trees in the several rows to check wind erosion. Okay. Look at this. This is the shelter belts. Okay. This is shelter belt. Cover crops or crop rotation. This is the method of crop rotation rotation. In one field, we have so many crops. Cover crops such as legumes and white turnip, radishes, and other species are rotated with the cash crop to blanket the soil year round. Act as a green manure that replenish nitrogen and other critical nutrients. Okay, so in soil there is the less nutrient. With this crop rotation, we have what nitrogen nutrients in our soil. Strip farming, crops are grown in alternative strip of the land to check the impact of the lands. It is used when the slope is too steep or when there is no alternative method to preventing soil. Two types of contour strip cropping and field strip cropping. Okay, so it discussed earlier. I think this is a strip cropping. In your field, in the field of Ganga, it is also effective. So look at this. So thank you so much for watching this video.